You have a daily path in your home, your physical path from bed to bathroom, you heading towards kitchen and the main entrance. A favorable and beautiful entry attracts favorable energy into your home and brings joy in your life. In addition to it, brighten up your space with proper sunlight. Good light establishments are very important. Nurture the plants so they nurture all positivity into your space. Mirror should not be installed opposite the front door. Mirror should be thoughtfully placed to reflect positive things. A clean and clear window is a symbol of your clear and clean vision that can visually world around with clarity and precision. Prior to jumping and creating, altering your space as per Feng Shui principles, it's worth knowing that the basic principle of Feng Shui is based on the placement of objects in the right place in your surrounding. You can go with placing the mirror in the right place of your entrance to fetch all positive benefits. Clean your windows. Clean your windows regularly, let more sunlight filter into your home. Make your way obstacle-free, let there be no obstacle to hinder your daily path. These are some specific pathway which has to be obstacle-free. Bed represents you, desk represents your career and stove represents your wealth. Pay attention to your doors. The door should open to 90 degrees. Clean the clutter behind the door which can obstruct its opening. Incorporate metal. Metal are a symbol of clarity, sharpness of thought, calmness and balance energies. Bring greenery indoors. Every plant symbolizes life, abundance, growth, etc. in Feng Shui. Declutter your space. A home full of clutter and mess generally restrict free flow of energy. There is a constant struggle to harmonize your energy flowing inside with your environment outside, and that's what Feng Shui does to your space. It balances the energy flowing. The commanding position for Feng Shui. The most fundamental principle of Feng Shui is called the commanding position, which simply means placing some object facing the entry door like bed, stove and desk.